Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to disable duet feature in your TikTok application. So once you disable this feature, other TikTok users won't be able to duet with your TikTok videos, and this also protect your privacy. And once you enable it, if maybe your friend try to press duet settings, they get this error message: duet is not allowed for this video. So anyway, how to activate this feature? So just open your TikTok mobile application, and this method works for all Android and iOS platforms because this TikTok app settings are common for all devices. So now in this homepage section, you can press this me icon and it is placed at bottom of fifth one, and then it shows my TikTok profile. But in this profile section, you can press this vertical three dot icon and it is placed at almost top of right side corner, and then it shows all the settings category, but you can go to privacy and safety settings and the second one. So finally I get to these settings. So just click to open this option, who can do it with your videos, and it is placed under the safety section. But in my device this option is default set to everyone. So if you want to disable this duet, by simply select no one option. So once you change the settings, in future no one won't be able to do it with your TikTok videos. So this is the way you can easily disable duet feature by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.